Now that you know your audience and have your key messages, let's put together your story. This can be written word for word, as an outline, as a mind map, or whatever works for you. Having a defined structure can both help your audience remember what you shared and help you deliver your presentation. We have probably heard about the hook, something to bring your listener in, something to make them care or to help them to better understand a complex subject. You could share something personal about what inspired you to pursue this line of research. Maybe include a description of how something is not right, or something could be better or improved through your research. Or create an imaginary person, animal, or object. Or use an analogy or metaphor to help paint the picture of the problem. Be creative, but also make your opening relevant to your research. When done well, personal anecdotes or metaphors and analogies can help the audience engage. When too elaborate, they also risk distracting the audience from your key message and leave the audience remembering the metaphor instead of your research message. So, what hook or opening will work best for you? What will help to outline the problem you're trying to solve? What feels right? Use your senses. Maybe create a scene, like in a movie, blue skies, birds singing, two people talking, etc.
Next, now that you've outlined the problem, how are you going to resolve it? What is your approach? Describe your methodology, framework, or model. And remember, 3MT is an academic competition and we want to hear the details. Yes, you can use technical terms as long as you explain them. Long and complex words can be added to your slide to help the audience. Walk us through one step at a time. And talk about your results. What have you found so far? We want to know even if you only have preliminary results. Let's hear those. Research is a work in progress. So what have you found? And what is the potential impact? And be honest about where you are in the research. No results yet? Spend some time on possible impacts. What do you hope to address? Lastly, conclude with your what's next. And, if possible, bring the audience back to the introduction, your hook. So for try 1 minute on the introduction, big picture, 1 minute on your methodology, and 1 minute on your results and the what now or what next. If you don't have results, this could shift to the first half being on the introduction, big picture, and the second half on methodology, along with the what you're hoping to achieve.